Good afternoon, Richard. How can I be of assistance?
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Initiate the Watchman protocol.
Affirmative. Initiating motion detector using available camera. Category level 50 motion detected. Switching to live view for facial recognition. Face identification successful. Hey Richard. Do you wish to resume command?
Yes.
How can I be of assistance?
Exit session.
Terminating session. Session terminated. Switching to motion sensor for auto login. Category level 20 motion detected. Authorization required. Attempting facial recognition. Face identification failed. Face identification successful. Welcome back, Richard. How can I be of assistance?
Thank you.
You are most welcome.
Terminate sequence.
Affirmative. Initiating shutdown sequence. Powering down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Goodbye.
Don't forget to like our channel, smash the subscribe button, and hit the bell to get notified on new posts.